I want to take this time to answer a few questions from Module 10, Assignment 8 problem solving questions that you have already answered to give you a good solid answer for these questions. So, one of the questions, you and your partner are driving a dangerous prisoner to jail. While en route to the jail, you observe an accident involving three vehicles. It appears that damage to the vehicles is significant. What would you do? Well, some considerations for me. One is driving dangerous prisoners to jail. This could be a staged accident in which they are trying to help the prisoners escape or something like that. So I'd be very concerned about stopping and trying to assist and leaving myself, my partner, and the dangerous prisoners in jeopardy. But another primary concern as well, or is the citizens and the and vehicles involved in the accident. People could be injured or hurt. So in that particular case, I'd want to get on the phone or dispatch and get emergency services to them as soon as possible. So my two major considerations: the dangerous prisoners, the safety of myself, my partner, and them, as well as the concern over possible victims in the accident situation. So, given that, I would make sure that I have contacted someone to be responding to the accident. But on the other hand, I would continue on to make sure that myself, my partner, and the dangerous prisoners are secured as well. The next question: to work in law enforcement, you need a good work ethic. What does work ethic mean to you? Work ethic means to me doing right when no one's looking. And what that means is many times in law enforcement or other careers in criminal justice, you are working independently and you may have times where there isn't much work. So, someone sitting in their car or police car watching a movie on their laptop or phone is not good work ethic. What would be good work ethic? Well, when you're not busy, go find work to do. There's always things that need to be done, whether it's patrolling, paperwork, etc. Good work ethic means to me also too following proper procedures, rules, and guidelines, and being ethically sound in that way. And also, good work ethic means to me that you're completing required tasks, that you're doing them in a timely manner, and that you're putting in your own effort, that you're not having other people do your work. Next question: you respond to a call of a man with a gun in a neighborhood known for gang activity. When you arrive, you see a young African American boy who appears to be 11 to 12 years of age pointing what appears to be a gun at another young boy. How would you respond? I would draw my weapon at this time. However, I would be very cautious and to not automatically assume that there is a threat. There have been many cases where children, in particular, have been playing with guns, and the officer has shot the child, and it ended up being a toy gun. However, there are cases where young children have been involved in gang activity, are dangerous, so you have to take that into consideration. So I would cautiously, I would take cover if possible, draw my weapon, assess the situation, determine if there's actually a threat, and then proceed from there. If I needed to, if it did appear that there was a threat and somebody was could be killed or seriously injured, I wouldn't hesitate in using deadly force if necessary. However, if there was some other means to use non-deadly force as an option that would be effective, I would use that as well.